is my homemade cheese, and I keep this one in refrigerator overnight. So what I have to do, I have to put here, ayan, and then slice natin para matikman natin ang aking ginawang homemade cheese. Slice natin, ayan. Ito lang muna ang slice ko. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make homemade cheese. Just only 2 ingredients. This is all-purpose and this is equivalent to 1 liter. And I use lemon juice, 2 pieces of lemon juice. So this is the juice of lemon juice. Then I add also 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So this is I think 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Before I make also homemade cheese, but that is there is ingredients, carrots, grated carrots, and what you call this, egg. But by this time I will use 2 ingredients only, milk and lemon juice. Before I use also this kind of Tetra Pak milk because I don't have this fresh milk of buffalo or cow, so I will use this one. So let's start now to make again homemade cheese. Now we will put now this Tetra Pak milk of all-purpose, but I will not put all this one. So we will put now here in container. Bismillah. So I did not put all. I think there is 1 cup here. Ayan, iluto natin ng normal na apoy. And then, ilagay na natin din yung 1 teaspoon na salt. Then, mix lang natin. So, ilagay na natin yung lemon juice. At saka yung 1 tablespoon na white vinegar. Ayan, ito na. Okay na ito. Ayan, buo-buo na. So, turn off na natin yung flame. Milk already start to curdle. The one that curdle is cheese. Ayan. So, strain natin ito. Turn off muna natin ang flame. So, ito na nagiging curdle na yung milk. So, turn off na natin yung flame. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung buo-buo. Ayan, nilagay ko na dito sa strainer. Ayan. After I strain, I put here in empty container of Blue Band butter. So I will put this one in refrigerator. So meron akong 3 pieces dito na bread. And then lagyan ko din ng mayonnaise, tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, green bell pepper, ketchup. So ayan, ilagay na natin ito. And then lagyan natin ng mayonnaise. And then ganyanin natin. Hawak-hawak ko kasi itong mobile eh. Di bali, ganyan. Then lagyan natin din ng ketchup para masarap. Ayan. And then lagyan na natin ng 1 slice na cheese. Yung aking cheese na homemade. And then tomatoes, onions, and then bell pepper. Ayan. Ganyan nila natin para ganyan. And then patong natin yung isa. Lagyan natin ulit ng mayonnaise. And then ketchup. And then cheese. Walang cucumber, pero di bali. It's okay. Yan. And then yan. And isa ito. Yan. Mayonnaise. Ketchup. Cheese. Ayan. Tomato. Onion. At saka, ayan. So, ayan. Sandwich with my homemade cheese. Ayan, ito na yung aking sandwich. Ayan, slice natin. My homemade cheese. Ito na yung aking ginawang sandwich, 3 pieces. Tapos may palaman na homemade cheese. Tapos nilagyan ko din ng tomatoes, onions, green bell pepper, tapos ketchup, mayonnaise. Kaya tikman natin. Itong itong 3 pieces na sandwich bread, hati-hati kami dito. So ako muna yung titikim kung anong lasa nitong aking ginawa na homemade cheese. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saan na ba yung cheese? May nabibili din dito na sandwich na bread. Ang palaman nila ay yung fried eggs, tapos may cabbage. Slice na cabbage, tapos may din, mayonnaise yata, ketchup. Yun lang, mahal nga eh. Kaya mas maganda yung homemade. Wala namang cheese yon. So ito merong homemade cheese. Kaya masarap. Masarap pang merienda. Parisan ng ng kape o kaya kahit anong pantulak. Coke, Pepsi, pero ako walang pantulak. Ganito lang. Sarap ng cheese kasi hindi maasim, hindi maalat. Tama lang yung timpla ng aking cheese.